Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set photo when someone calls you on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Scroll down the apps page until you get to phone and then select phone. Locate default calling apps and then select incoming calls beneath and set this to full screen. Once that is set to full screen, go ahead and open the phone app, click on contact, search for the contact you want to set photo when you have calls from, and then select it. Click on edit at top right, click on add photo, click on photos. Now go ahead and select your photo. Once selected, then you can just change through to set different filters. But here, let's have this as default. Click on done at top right, then click on continue. Click on continue again, and then click on done again. Then that's it. Now, when next you have an incoming call from this particular contact where you set photo as the call background, then you should be able to see the photo like this. Then go ahead and pick it, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to set photo when someone calls you on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.